Hey guys, what's up? My name is FlareGun, and I don't have an editing tutorial today, but I actually have a Minecraft server tutorial. Now today I'm going to show you guys how to basically download and set up a modded Minecraft server. Now this is already knowing the fact that you can host, so I'm not going to go into port forwarding and all that. This is just how to set up a modded server. This is going to be part 1, and this is going to be how to get the modded server, and part 2 is going to be how to get plugins or mods for these actual servers. So basically, let's go ahead and set this up. What you guys need to do is just make a new folder on your desktop, and just name it whatever you want. I'll name mine modded server, like that. Now what you want to do is just open that up and keep that there. Ignore that in there. And then go to the link in the description to forums.bucket.org, and we're going to actually go ahead and download the software to run the server. So what you want to do when you're here is you want to go into discussion and support. You want to go to, it'll be a yellow post, and it'll be where do I download bucket/craft bucket. Now click on this post, and once you get in the post, you want to click on the first link, this link right here, and it will automatically start a download. You will get a jar file, and what you want to do is you want to download that into your new folder you just created. So now you can see that I already did this. I already have that in there. So now what you want to do is you want to right click, and you want to go to new and go to text document. Now what you want to name this is you want to name this server starter, or anything that has to do with starting the server. So you can call it starter, anything. So call that server starter. Now what you want to do is you want to open this with Notepad, so go ahead and open that. Now there will be some codes in the description. It depends on if you have a 32-bit system or a 64-bit system. So I have the 64-bit system, so I copied that code and I'm gonna paste it in here. So so what you need to do is open up the Notepad, find out which kind of computer system you have, and then paste it into the Notepad thing. Then what you want to do is go to File, Save As, don't do Save, and then Save As type, you want to change that to all files. Then after the name, type .bat and hit enter. Now what this will do is it'll save a batch file, and then what you want to do is just delete the text document that's left. So basically now what we have is we have the downloaded server software, and we have the server starter. What you can go ahead and do is just double click the server starter. It will give you a lot of errors, but don't worry. That's all actually what you want it to do. And then it'll start to prepare the spawn area. So once it gets to 100%, we'll stop it. Alright, now that it is done, you can go ahead and type in stop, then hit enter. It'll say stopping the server and saving chunks, and eventually it'll close on its own. The preparing spawn area, the first time you do it, it will probably take a little bit, and the second times, the more times you do it, it'll get faster. So now what you realize now that it just created a bunch of stuff in your new folder. So what you can go ahead and do is you can go in and edit this stuff, like the server properties file. You can go open that in Notepad, and you can choose if you want PvP. You can choose to put spawn monsters. You can change it, just if you don't want something, then just change it to false. And server IP, you need to leave that blank, or else things will go wrong, and you can still host if you leave that blank. Just make sure you have your server port right. So anyways, you can close that, and what you want to do is you want to open up the ops file and go ahead and put your username, just so your op. I mean, if you don't want to, you don't have to. So when you go into op file, put your username, and then hit save, and then you're going to be an op. You can ban people, you can ban their IP addresses, so other accounts get on. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. That's how to have a modded server. Now in the next part, look forward to that, because that's gonna actually show you guys how to get the mods on there. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see ya.